In this video, I will show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Here we are, as you can see I'm currently on Google Meet, which is meet.google.com. So what I'm going to do is just start a new meeting. So let's click here, start an instant meeting, which is going to give that a minute to load through. Now, once you're in the meeting, to actually go ahead and share your screen, all you need to do is come down to the toolbar at the bottom, and you're going to see an icon here, which is a picture of like a computer with an up arrow, and it says share screen. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is open a window like this. From here, you can see at the top, we've got some different options, which is Chrome tab, Windows, and entire screen. If we click onto Chrome tab, what we can do is scroll through all our different open tabs, and we can click onto one of these to start sharing this. Also, if you want to share a tab that has audio, make sure this is turned on if you also want to share the tab audio. The next option, which says window, is going to show all our different open windows. So we can select from here. I've currently only got Google Chrome opened, but if you've got multiple things opened, you can choose what kind of window you want to share from here. Or if you just simply want to share your entire screen, click onto entire screen at the top, and you're going to have the option to share your entire screen. Of course, make sure again that you come down if you want to share audio, and turn the switch on down here. So once you've chosen what you want to share, all you need to do is come and click the blue share button at the bottom, and that's going to share your screen on Google Meet. So that is how to share screen on Google Meet. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.